Hello everyone, my name is GR from GR Tech School. In this video, I'm going to teach you navigation in CMD. In order to open CMD, go ahead and type CMD in your search bar and it will automatically pop up. So in this video, we're going to learn these things and you can see I'm going to teach you navigation. I'm going to teach you CD. CD is a command we use to change directory, and chdir is alternative to CD. And if I want to go back, you can use CD CD double periods, and chdir is alternatives to CD like I said before. So if you want to display what are the files inside your current directory, and you can use dir. And tree is another command to display files, but it will give you more information, such as it will also show you a lot of information in a tree structure. So we're going to learn this. We're gonna try these commands a little bit. Now I'm inside C user GR Tech School. So graphically speaking, I am inside this folder. For example, C user, and you can see C user and GR Tech School. I'm inside this folder. Okay, in order to see what are the folder, I can see graphically there are many folders inside this folder. If I want to see them, I can type dir. Dir will show me everything inside this folder, such as desktop is here and document is here. Let's see if I want to navigate to desktop. In order to do that, like I said before, cd desktop. So if you type tab, if you type tab, when you type, it will automatically complete it. You have to type des and press tab in your keyboard and it will automatically complete it. So now I'm inside desktop. So if I type dir, it will show all of the files which is inside the desktop. So if I want to show what are the folders are inside my desktop, I can type tree. It will open up a tree structure and it will visualize like this. In the batch scripting, there's a file called introduction. Inside my teaching works, there's a folder called AI course, and you can see. Okay, and if I want to go back, you can use cd dot. chdir is alternative to CD. Like I said before, we can use both of them. chdir is also used to come back or go back one step. Okay, if you want to go two step, so you can type cd dot backslash dot. It will take you to the main CD. So now I'm inside C. If I want to display all of the folders, I can type dir. Otherwise tree will take me all of the folders. It is a tree structure. It's going to display all of the folders in a tree structure. I'm going to stop it. So if I want to navigate to my user account, I have to type users and GR Tech School and desktop. Now I am inside desktop. Okay, so this is how we can navigate between folders. So this is the basic things I wanted to teach you, and you can see these are the things we have learned in this video. And cd is used to change directory, cd dot is used to come back or go back, and chdir dot is its alternative, and chdir is alternative to cd, and dir is used to display current files. You need to memorize them in order to work with CMD. And tree is used to display current files in a tree structure, current folders in a tree structures. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste these notes in the description of this video, and if you want, you can take them. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.